Good evening, everybody. How are you all? So, we have finished all the chapters of chemistry for your 10th board. And again, I am taking this chapter carbon and its compound. What we are going to do in this session, the important questions, the important PYQs, and this chapter, the weightage for this chapter is also more, and more number of questions can be asked from this chapter. Okay, and at the same time it is a very interesting chapter. So what we are going to discuss in this, we are going to discuss here the PYQs, very important. The PYQs, what is PYQs? The previous year questions. And I have told you in every video, in every session, that how important the previous year questions are. Okay, so you have to be fully concentrated during this session, and whatever doubts you have to ask me in the chat box. Whatever you want to tell me, that also you can tell me in the chat box. Okay, so let's just start this session. So let's start with the first question. Name the hardest substance which is an allotrope of carbon. First of all, you have to tell me what do you mean by allotropes. So you have to tell me the hardest substance, hardest allotrope of carbon. Which one is the hardest allotrope of carbon? First thing, that allotrope means the compound, the base element is same. For example, coal, for example, graphite, for example, diamond. Yes, very good. Vriksha, yes. So, allotrope means the main element is same, their properties, physical and chemical, they are different. What is the hardest substance which is also allotrope of carbon? So, first of all, what are some allotropes of carbon? Can you tell me what are some allotropes of carbon? Allotropes of carbons are graphite. Correct? You have fullerene. Yes, you have diamond, coal. These are the allotropes of carbon. Very good. Exactly. So what is the answer for the first question? Name the hardest substance which is the allotrope of carbon. It is diamond. Okay, fine. Next one. Mention two difference between diamonds and graphite. Yes, hello Vishwa. Yes, tell me. Very good. Gaming Prism. You guys also tell me your name. I can't take your this YouTube name. Yes, diamond, exactly. Very good, Rohit. Very nice. So mention the two difference between diamond and graphite. What is the difference between diamond and graphite? The common thing is both of them are allotrope of carbon. What is the difference in diamond and graphite? Diamond, yes, very good, Netra. What is the difference between diamond and graphite? Diamond has 3D structure. Write down this. Diamond has 3D structure. It is the hardest element. Correct? Yes. And it does not conduct electricity. It does not conduct electricity. Yes. But generally we know that non-metal does not conduct electricity. Diamond and graphite, they are allotropes of carbon. Carbon is non-metal. Yes, very, very good. Ma'am, Vishwarya is my mom's name. Okay, fine. So, okay, fine. Okay. So, graphite, you tell me what is the difference in graphite? Graphite has layer structure. See, graphite is the lead which is present in the pencil. Correct? It slips. It is very slippery in nature. Why it is slippery in nature? Because it has the layer structure, one above other. So that's why it slips. Right? Yes. It is the soft element. It is not the hard element. Correct? It is a soft element. It conducts electricity. These are the difference between graphite and diamond. Is that clear? Yes. Rohit, Netra, Vriksha, is that clear, guys? Today, Sumukh has not attended the session. Fine, correct? Acha, next thing is, what is fullerene? What do you know about fullerene? Quickly guys, I want you to tell me in the chat box, what do you know about fullerene? Very good, Vriksha. One atom of carbon in diamond is connected to 4 other atoms of carbon. Absolutely correct. That's why it is a 3D structure. Absolutely correct. It is a 3D structure. That's why it is a 3D structure. Carbon is tetrahedral. You can write this point also. Carbon is tetrahedral in diamond. Yes. Tell me this one. What is fullerene? What do you know about fullerene? Tell me. What do you know about fullerene? Fullerene is a allotrope of carbon. One thing. Yes. Allotrope of carbon. It has the football-like structure. Correct? It has the football-like structure. It is C60 is one of the fullerene. Very, very good. High five. 347. It is a synthetic form of carbon. Yes, and man-made. Absolutely correct. So, fullerene is an allotrope of carbon. C60 is one type of fullerene. Yes, in fullerene there are two type of ring, pentagonal and hexagonal. Correct? In fullerene there are two types of ring, hexagonal and pentagonal. If you will see, this is 5-membered ring. If you will see, this is 6-membered ring. Correct? These are the properties of fullerene. Fullerene is an allotrope of carbon. Yes, guys, clear? It has a football structure. Very good, Rohit. Absolutely correct. The first one to be identified, C60 is one of the fullerene. C60, yes, very, very good. Very good, Vriksha. It has 12 pentagons. Pentagons means 5-membered ring. And 20 hexagons. Absolutely correct. It has 12 pentagons. Pentagons means what? 5-membered ring. Correct? Yes. Pentagons means 5-membered ring. And hexagon means 6-membered ring. Hexagon means 6-membered ring. Tell me, have you understood this question? Can I move forward to the next question? Buckminster fullerene. It is also called Buckminster fullerene. Okay? Fine? Yes. So, can I change? And you guys can also tell me if I am going slow, you want me to move fast, or if I am moving fast, you can also tell me to slow down. Okay? Fine. Whatever you are thinking, you have to tell me in the chat box. So, tell me, give me a thumbs up if I can move to the next question. Yes. Clear? Today, no, there is no Harsha. Where is Harsha? Where are the girls today? Yes. Very good. Netra, Rohit, Vriksha, is that clear? Can I move forward to the next question? Allotrope, you know. Allotrope, diamond, graphite, fullerene, these are the allotropes. Normally, carbon is metal. Carbon is a non-metal. Non-metals are non-conducting. But graphite is the exception. Yes? Very good. Why graphite conduct electricity? Because graphite has the free electron. You can tell this. Graphite has the free electron and that's why it conducts the electricity. Here we are moving to the next question. This has come in CBSE 2016. CBSE 2016. Write down the next homologue. Homologue means what? Homologue means same. The compound having same functional group. The compound having same functional group, just the difference of one CH2 group. One in homologue means the difference between one molecule to another, the difference of only one CH2. Is that clear? So, can you tell me the homologue for C2H4? C2H4 means this. This is your C2H4. What will be the next homologue? Next in this series. Very good. Vriksha, absolutely correct. Next will be what? You just have to add one CH2. So, one CH2 if you will add in this, it will become C3H6. Next homologue of this will be what? What will be the next homologue for this? Add CH2. Just add CH2. It will become C4H8. Understood? Yes, guys. Only the difference between these two is CH2. Difference between these two is CH2. Again, you will add CH2. What you are going to get? What you are going to get in this case? What is the next homologous series for C4H8? It will become C5H10. Yes, very, very good. Absolutely correct. So what will be the homologue for C4H6? C4H6 means C4H6. It is CnH2n minus 2. It is a formula for alkyne. You know this, right? This is the general formula. We are not using this, though we are not using this here, but just for the extra information I have told you. CnH2n minus 2 is a alkyne. So C4H6. For C4H6, what will be the next homologue? Just you have to add CH2. Very good. Infinite is one. Rohit, very nice. It will be C5H8. Very, very good. So if in the exam they will ask you homologue of anything, will you be able to write? Will you be able to write? Chalo, tell me here. What is the next homologue? What is the next homologue for? Tell me for this. CH3OH. What is the next homologue for CH3OH? Tell me the answer for this. What is the next homologue for CH3COOH? Can you tell me? Can you guys tell me what is the next homologue for CH3OH? Methanol. What is the next homologue for acetic acid? I am waiting for your response. Tell me, what is the next homologue for methanol? What is the next homologue for ethanoic acid? Can you tell me this? Quickly guys, I am waiting for your response in the chat box. Whenever they are asking you next homologue, just you have to add CH2. Very, very good, Rohit. Yes, very nice. Very good. Where are others? Very good, Rohit. Yes, where are others? Rohit has given absolutely correct answer. CH3OH, just you have to add one CH2 group. Yes, so it means that CH3, CH2OH is the next homologue. CH3OH means CH4O. You have to add CH2 in this. It will become C2H6O. Correct? Is that fine? Very good, Netra. Superb. Very nice. What about this acetic acid? Ethanoic acid. What is the molecular formula for this? Carbon with 2 carbon. Correct? There is 2 carbon. There is 4 hydrogen and 2 oxygen. You have to just add CH2. Why I am not getting more answers? Guys, do you have any doubt in this? Just you have to add one CH2 group. So what will be this? C3H, how much? 6 and O2. So basically CH3, CH2, COOH. Like this you can write the next homologue. Absolutely correct. Very good. Absolutely correct, guys. Is that clear? Do give me a thumbs up if you have understood. Do give me a thumbs up if you have understood. Homologue thing is clear to you. Netra, Rohit, Vriksha, is that clear, guys? Do give me a thumbs up if you have understood. I will move forward. Yes? Very good. Homologue is clear? Yes or no? Is the homologue clear? In this way also you can write, and in this way also you can write. Okay, both is fine. Clear, guys? Okay, so can we move forward to the next question? Okay, so next question is again here. Yes. Where are the other students? My dear students, give me a thumbs up if you have understood the question. We can move forward to the next question. Very good, Netra. So next question here is, what are covalent compounds? Why they are different from ionic compounds? Very good, Gautami. Gautami, you are there in the class. Yes. Okay. So tell me, what are covalent compounds? Why they are different from the ionic compounds? List their 3 characteristics properties. So what do you mean by covalent compound, guys? What do you mean by covalent compounds? And what do you mean by ionic compound? Very good, Rohit. Very good, Vriksha. Covalent compounds are formed by sharing of electron in the valence shell. Pair of electrons shared to form compounds of non-metals. Absolutely correct, Rohit and Vriksha. Covalent bond or covalent compound, they are formed by sharing of electron. That is a main key word for this covalent bonding. They are formed by mutual sharing of electron. They are formed by mutual sharing of electrons. Correct? Can you give me the example of covalent compounds? Can you guys give me the example of covalent compound? Two non-metals. Bond between two non-metals will be always covalent. Bond between two non-metals will be always covalent. See this hydrogen covalent. H2 is a covalent molecule. CH4 is a covalent. N2, O2, these are covalent compound. Very good, Netra. Covalent compounds are one, those who share electrons. Very good, Rohit. Ionic compounds are formed by gain of electron and losing of electron. They have high melting and boiling point. Absolutely correct. Covalent compound clear? Yes. And ionic compound. What is ionic compound, guys? You can also write the point here. Very good, Netra. Very good, Gautami. Very good. Very good, guys. You can also write that non-metal and non-metal. Non-metal, this bond will be covalent bond. Okay. And in ionic compound, one will be metal and one will be non-metal. Always in ionic compound, one will be metal, one will be non-metal. Very good. Yes. So ionic compounds are formed by ionic compounds are formed by gaining and losing of electron. Gaining and losing of electrons. As Rohit has told me in the chat box, ionic compounds have high melting and boiling point. High melting and boiling point because they have more attraction. Correct? Covalent compounds are soft. They have less attraction. Ionic compounds are formed by gaining and losing of electron. They have high melting and boiling point. Very good, Rohit. Low melting point, low boiling point, poor conductor of electricity, low solubility. Absolutely correct. Absolutely correct, guys. See here, covalent compound, they are poor conductor of electricity because there is no ions. Absence of ions. Did you understand this point, guys? Covalent compound does not conduct electricity because there are no ions. Ions are there in ionic compound, cation and anion. Correct? Okay. They have low melting and boiling point. 2 points. They are good conductor of electricity, ionic compound, because they have ions. Presence of ions. Ions means charged particle. Ionic compounds can conduct electricity. They have high melting and boiling point. Is that clear? Is that clear, guys? Will this question come in the exam? Will you be able to write the answer? Ionic and covalent clear? Do give me a thumbs up in the chat box. My dear student, Netra, Gautami, Rohit, Vriksha. Yes, tell me. Harsha, do give me a thumbs up in the chat box if you have understood this question. Can I move forward to the next question? Covalent, ionic, their difference in the property. Covalent soft, less attraction. Ionic more attraction, more boiling point, more melting point. Yes, ionic compounds have ions. They can conduct electricity. Covalent compounds are what? Covalent compounds, they don't have ions. They can't conduct electricity. Yes? Okay. Can I move forward to the next question? Yes. This question is being asked in CBSE 2016. When ethanol, quickly write down the formula of ethanol in the chat box. quickly write down the formula of ethanol in the chat box. Everybody, I want the formula of ethanol in the chat box. Gautami, Netra, Vriksha, Rohit, tell me guys, what is the formula for ethanol? Very good, absolutely correct. Ethanol means C2H5OH, 2 carbon containing alcohol. Yes, ethanol reacts with ethanoic acid. What is the formula for ethanoic acid? Everybody, I want the answers in the chat box. Ethanoic acid means CH3, CH2, C double bond, OH. No. CH3COH, this is the ethanoic acid. Acha, listen to me, write down this in the notebook. Alcohol, very good Netra, very good Rohit. Alcohol plus acid. Write down this in the presence of acidic medium. Alcohol plus carboxylic acid. I will write this statement. Alcohol plus carboxylic acid. Alcohol plus carboxylic acid, it will, in the presence of acidic medium, it gives you what? It gives you what? Who is going to tell me? Very good Rohit, very good Netra. Yes, absolutely correct. It is going to give you ester. And write down, ester has the fruity smell. Who has the fruity smell? Ester. Ester is present in the fruits. So ester has the fruity smell. Alcohol, carboxylic acid, acidic medium, ester. Clear? Whenever you will take one alcohol, you will take carboxylic acid, you are going to get ester. How? Ethanol. First I will write acetic acid. Okay. And here alcohol. Now here remove water. Remove water. What you are left with, tell me. What is left this side? My dear students, tell me what is left this side. This side we are left with. Everybody in the chat box. If we will remove water, we are removing water. What we are left with this side? CH3, C double bond O from here. And here we are left with CH2, CH3. What is the name for this compound? Ethyl ethanoate. It is a ester. Ethyl ethanoate. And medium is acidic medium. Is that clear, guys? Is that clear? Ethyl ethanoate. This is ester. Ester has the fruity smell. Always remember, alcohol plus acid. Water is going to out. Always write in this manner. It will be easy for you to predict the structure. Remove H from acid because acid will give you H. Correct? And remove OH. So you are going to get ester. Now next question. What is the use of H2SO4 in this question? Fruity smell. What is the use of H2SO4? This question can be asked in your exam. What is the use of H2SO4? So write down, H2SO4 is a dehydrating agent. What is the meaning of dehydrating? Which helps in removal of water. Which helps in removal of water. Yes, what we have done? We have removed water, correct? Yes, very good, gamer. Ethyl ethanoate, absolutely correct. In some questions, they can ask you what is the use of H2SO4. H2SO4 is a dehydrating agent. Clear? Here, chalo. This is the compound. This is the compound from where we have removed water. Okay? And ethyl ethanoate. This compound is ethyl. This portion is ethyl. This portion is ethanoate. CH2, CH3 ethyl. This portion is ethanoate. Oate we use for ester. Conc H2SO4 act as a dehydrating agent. This question was also asked. what is the role of H2SO4? H2SO4 is working as a dehydrating agent. It helps in removal of water. Clear? Do give me a thumbs up if you have understood this question. Can I move forward to the next question? Yes. I want everyone to tell me in the comment box, have they understood the question? If this question will come in the exam, will you be able to write? Yes? Okay, fine. So now let's move to the next question here. Yes, this question has come in 2016 CBSE. Okay? Yes, this question has come in CBSE 2016. Chalo. Yes, very good Gautami, Netra. Yes. Guys, you can tell me in the comment box that whether I have to slow down or my speed is fine or I should move fast. Rohit, you can show this thumbs up. You don't have to write every time. Yes? Chalo. Guys, don't forget to tell me. Yes. Okay, so read this question and tell me whether what you can tell. Will you be able to answer this question? I am reading this question. Tell me. Give a chemical test to distinguish between saturated and unsaturated. First of all, tell me what do you mean by saturated hydrocarbon and what do you mean by unsaturated hydrocarbon? What is the meaning of saturated hydrocarbon and what is the meaning of unsaturated hydrocarbon? Little what? OP gamer, what is the meaning of little? Speed is fine. Thank you, Netra. Guys, whatever you think, you have to tell me in the chat box. Accordingly, I will modify. Yes, very good. Saturated compounds burned with yellow sooty flame. Yes, correct. So, saturated means which doesn't have multiple bonds, which doesn't have the hydrocarbon, which doesn't have double or triple bonds. Correct. Unsaturated means double and triple bond containing compounds. Yes, containing compounds. Correct. So, what is the one chemical test? One chemical test, Vriksha has told us that flame test, right? But flame test is, Vriksha, we cannot use the flame test here. Listen to me carefully. Flame test you can use for aromatic and aliphatic. Okay, aromatic compounds will give you that sooty flame. Yes, fine. Best, I will tell you what you can use. Yes, very good, Raja. Single bond yellow flame, absolutely correct. Alkanes are saturated alkenes, very, very good, guys. Super, super. So, what you can use? See here. Sooty flame, that is also correct. That also you can use. Flame test you can also use. I am telling you the different test. Write down that also. The next test is bromine water test. What is the color of bromine water test? What is the color of bromine? Very good, Rohit. Absolutely correct. What is the color of bromine water? Anybody? What is the color for bromine water? Yes, absolutely correct. Bromine water is a brown color liquid. It is a brown, it has brown color. Bromine water is brown in color. Yes, and when it reacts with saturated compound plus bromine water, which is brown in color, correct? So there is no change in color because saturated compound does not react with bromine water. Are you guys getting my point? Saturated compounds, very good, Rohit. Saturated compounds does not react with bromine water, or we can say that does not decolorize bromine water, but unsaturated compounds, unsaturated plus bromine water, the bromine water will get decolorized. The bromine water get decolorizes because they will react with bromine water. Write down this if you don't know. Very good, Dhanush. Absolutely correct. So write down this. So basically see what happens. when you take a saturated compounds, okay, there is no space. Can you see here that for carbon already it is attached with 3 hydrogen and 1 carbon. So when you put bromine water in this, there is no reaction happens. But if you take ethene, ethene has the space. Ethene, and in this you will put bromine water, carbon single bond and bromine gets added here. Can you see this? Did you understand this? Tell me. Should I write there? So bromine double bond can convert into single bond. Yes, and they can take 1 bromine. But here ethane, saturated one, they cannot take the bromine. So basically what is the final thing? Saturated compound does not decolorize bromine water. Does not decolorize bromine water. Unsaturated compounds decolorizes bromine water. Clear? Yes. One test is clear, bromine water. Yes, everybody. Tell me where you have the doubt in this. Did you understand the bromine water test? One you already know, the flame test. One I have taught you. Okay, so quickly I want one answer, then I will move forward. Tell me, the compound here is, let me give you 2 compounds. You have propyne and you have propane. Can you tell me who will decolorize bromine water? The question here is, who will decolorize bromine water? Who will decolorize bromine water? Quickly tell me the answer in the chat box. Then I am going to move forward. Only then I will think that you have understood this whatever I have taught you now. Tell me quickly, propyne and propane. Who will decolorizes the bromine water? Very good, Gautami. Very good, Gautami. Absolutely correct. Gautami has given the correct answer. Where are others? Netra, Rohit. Yes. Vriksha, Raja. Yes, Rohit and Netra has given the correct answer. Very good, Raja. Raja has given the A. A is propyne. Very good. Propyne means alkyne. Alkyne is unsaturated compound. It will decolorize. Very, very good. It means that you got the clarity. We can move forward. Yes? Yes, guys? Yes. So here we are moving to the next question. Here is our next question. Yes? Have a look here. 2016, again this question is being asked in 2016. Have a look here of the question. Which of the following sets of material can be used for conducting a saponification reaction? What do you mean by saponification? Preparation of soap is called saponification. Yes. Out of all these 4, what you can use for saponification? Leave this part. Just focus. Which of the following set of material can be used for conducting a saponification? A, B, C, D. Which one we can use for the preparation of soap, and in the method of saponification, which one we can use? Tell me. I am waiting for your response. Tell me what, according to you, what should be the answer? It should be calcium hydroxide plus neem oil. It should be sodium hydroxide plus neem oil. It should be sodium hydroxide with mineral oil. It should be calcium hydroxide with mineral oil. I am waiting for your response. Mineral oil is more greasy. If you will take mineral oil, you are not going to get the foam. When we use soap and surf, we use that so that we will get the bubbles, we will get the foam, right? When we use mineral oil, it has more greasy it should not be used. So mineral oil is out. Now you have to think between neem oil and calcium hydroxide. Okay, Vriksha has told the answer C. Raja is also telling the answer C. I am waiting for others. Very good, Gautami. Very good. Did you understand? You don't have to take the mineral oil. Very good, Rohit. You don't have to take mineral oil because mineral oil, because mineral oil will be more greasy. It will not form the bubbles and the foam from the soap. So mineral oil out. Very good. Second one, listen to me very carefully. If we will take calcium salts, calcium salts forms unsoluble precipitate, okay, which will form the scum and which will make the water hard, and hard water does not work in soap and surf. Are you guys getting my point, what I have told? Calcium salt means calcium sulfate, calcium carbonate. Calcium salt means calcium sulfate, carbonate, bicarbonates, chlorides. Calcium salt forms insoluble means which does not dissolve, insoluble precipitate in water and makes water hard and makes hard water. And hard water means what? Hard water is the sea water. Do you know what is hard water? Sea water contains a lot of salt. Yes, that's why no surf or soap works there. So calcium salt, we are not going to take calcium or magnesium. Calcium or magnesium we are not going to take in the saponification. We will only take strong base and oil. In saponification we take strong base plus oil. We don't take calcium and magnesium because calcium magnesium salt forms scum which is insoluble. Okay guys, so what should be the correct answer? Calcium out, neem oil, mineral oil, we will take neem oil. So B here is the correct answer. Is that clear? Is that question clear to all of you? Why we are not taking calcium? Yes? Okay, fine. So see here, calcium hydroxide and neem oil, calcium and magnesium, soap reacts with calcium and magnesium salts to form insoluble precipitate. These insoluble precipitate are known as scum. Okay, the hard water does not make leather. Leather means that foam thing, correct? Okay, this implies that you cannot use, guys, you cannot use calcium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide. We cannot use this for saponification. Okay, we cannot use this for saponification. In saponification, we have to take strong base, strong alkali. It means we have to take NaOH. Is that clear? Yes. Is that clear, guys? Can we move forward? In saponification, no salt of calcium, magnesium. We have to take strong alkali, NaOH. And which oil? Why we are not taking mineral oil? Why we are not taking mineral oil? Tell me guys, why we are not taking mineral oil? Who is going to give me the answer this? Gautami, Raja, Rohit, Vriksha, Harsha, Netra. Who is, what was the question? I forgot. What did I ask you? Yeah. Why we are not using mineral oil in this case? Why we are using neem oil? Yes, I'm waiting for your response, guys. Do let me know. Once you will tell me this, I will move forward to the next question. Netra has understood. Yes. Mineral oil, greasy. Very, very good. Very good, Raja. It means that you guys are listening to me. Thank you very much for giving the reply. Very good. So, mineral water is greasy. Very good. Now, it means you understood, right? Yes? Okay. So, next question. Write down the covalent bond. Yes, it has more glycerol. Very good, Gautami. That's why it is so greasy. Absolutely correct. Now, next question. Write the number of covalent bond in the molecule of ethane. Whenever this question will come, you should know the structure. You should know the structure of the molecule. Will you be able to draw ethane? Carbon, carbon, H, H, one more H, one more H, one more H and one more H. Eth means two carbon. Ane means carbon, carbon single bond. So it is alkane. And what is the formula for alkane? General formula CnH2n plus 2. N here is number of carbon atom. In ethane, how many carbon atoms are present? In ethane, there are 2 carbon. 2 into 2 plus 2. So it is C2H6. How many? Very good. Very good, Rachita. Very good, Vriksha. Very good, Gautami. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You know that bond between non-metal and non-metal. Can you tell me which bond is this? The bond between metal and non-metal, it is which bond? Can you tell me the answer here? The bond between non-metal and non-metal. The bond between non-metal and non-metal. The bond between non-metal and non-metal, it is which bond? Tell me quickly. Very good. Absolutely correct, Ruchita. No. Netra, it is unsaturated. No. Covalent. Very good, Netra. Very good, Gautami. Non-metal, it is a covalent bond. Absolutely correct. So, total there are 7 covalent bonds. Yes. Very good, Raja. Superb. Carbon, hydrogen, both are non-metal. Non-metal, covalent bond. Yes. Clear? Chalo. Now, let's move to the next question. If you have understood, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Okay? Fine. Now, list 2 tests for experimentally distinguish alcohol and carboxylic acid. They want test which can differentiate alcohol and carboxylic acid. What are some tests which will be given by acid but not alcohol? Which will be given by alcohol but not acid. So one is the very, very easy, which we have done even in the 7th standard, 8th standard. One test you all can tell me. Carboxylic acid and alcohol. One test you guys can easily tell me. Yes, I am waiting for your response. Alcohol and carboxylic acid. How you can differentiate alcohol and a carboxylic acid? This question has come in CBSE 2015. If I will ask you alcohol and acid, which one is more acidic? Which one is more acidic in nature? Nobody is giving me any answer. Vriksha, Gautami, Ruchita, Netra, Raja, Rohit. Where is the response? Which one is more acidic? Alcohol and carboxylic acid. Definitely carboxylic acid is acid. Yes. So I can say that carboxylic acid is more acidic. Carboxylic acid is more acidic. Correct. So we can do litmus test, pH test. First one we can do litmus test. Brisk effervescence. Very good. Very good, Gautami. Second, we are going to do the sodium carbonate test. That is only the brisk effervescence. Correct. But definitely we can do the litmus test. In litmus test, acid converts what? Red to blue or blue to red. What happens? Litmus test we can do, and second we can do sodium carbonate test. Sodium carbonate test. This is also called brisk effervescence. The effervescence comes in one of the acid, not in alcohol. Yes. Correct. Fine. First we can do litmus. Second we have to do the sodium carbonate test. See here. Litmus test. Take 2 strips blue litmus, right? Place a drop of alcohol and carboxylic acid. The blue litmus paper turn red. Acid does what? Acid converts blue litmus to red. Acid converts blue litmus to red litmus, red color, right? Acid will change blue litmus to, very good Raja, absolutely correct, blue to red. But alcohol will not do anything. But in case of carboxylic acid, not in the case of carboxylic acid. Place 1 drop of alcohol and carboxylic acid. The blue litmus turns red in the case of carboxylic acid and remains unaffected in case of alcohol, because alcohol is not acidic. Understood, guys? Alcohol is not acidic. Again, I am drawing this structure here for your clear confirmation. This is a blue litmus. Blue litmus. Okay. Just take a blue litmus. This is a blue litmus. In this I have added 1 drop of carboxylic acid. 1 drop of carboxylic acid. So carboxylic acid is acidic in nature, and acid will convert blue litmus to red. So this blue litmus will convert into red litmus. Clear? Yes. But same thing you will do with alcohol. You have blue color litmus. In this you will add alcohol. It will remain same. No change. No change. Because alcohol is not acidic. Is that clear, guys? Is that clear? Everybody? Is that clear? So 1, you can do litmus test, acid and base. Second, which Gautami has told, sodium bicarbonate test. What is the formula? My dear student, just understand. Sodium bicarbonate has Na2CO3. Okay? Na2CO3 can give you CO2. CO2 gas. The brisk effervescence is due to the CO2. But this CO2 gas will only release when it will react with acid. Okay? Fine. So add a pinch of sodium bicarbonate to both alcohol and carboxylic acid. Brisk effervescence will come with the evolution of colorless, tasteless gas. This colorless, tasteless gas is what? It is CO2. Yes, Raja, absolutely correct. Alcohol is basic. So CO2, so it means that, see, let me write this here. Let me find one page and tell you. Here, see. Sodium bicarbonate test. You tell me carboxylic acid and alcohol. Who is going to give you the brisk effervescence? In which case you are going to get colorless, tasteless gas. Everybody in the chat box, I want the answer. Can you tell me in which case you are going to get the brisk effervescence? You are going to get, ma'am, can you please give the reactant for a second experiment? Yes, I will give the reactant. Yes, but first here you tell me, acid and alcohol, which one will give you the brisk effervescence? Quickly, I want the answer in the chat box. Who will give the CO2 gas? In which case CO2 gas is going to release? I am waiting for your response, guys. Raja, Netra, Vriksha, Gautami, Rohit. Tell me. Then I will show you the reaction also. Very good, Netra. Yes. What about others? In which case you are going to see the brisk effervescence? You are going to see the gas which is colorless, tasteless. Very good. Infinite is one. Gautami, Vriksha, very good. Absolutely correct. So carboxylic acid plus sodium bicarbonate, Na2CO3. It will give you what? It is going to give you CO2 gas. Okay. In case of alcohol, there is no reaction. This reaction is only positive. This reaction is only for strong acid compounds. Strong acid, only strong acid, no reaction. Okay, so let me take one reaction as Raja has told. Let's take a reaction. For example, you have taken acetic acid plus Na2CO3. Okay, it will give you salt plus CO2 plus water. This is out. Okay, fine. In case of alcohol, CH3, CH2OH plus Na2CO3, no reaction. Because this sodium bicarbonate will only react with strong acids. Now clear? One, you can show the what test? Litmus test. Yes, who will give the positive litmus test in case of blue strip? Acid. Second, you can use sodium bicarbonate test, the brisk effervescence. Okay, fine. So now let's move to the next question. Have you understood this? Can I move forward to the next question, guys? Do give me a thumbs up if you have understood this question. Yes. Okay, fine. Chalo, so this we have done. Next, we are here on this question. This is your last question of this class. Just have a look. You all are silent. It means that you have not understood the previous question. Yes, guys. Have you not understand the previous question? Why there is so much silence? Netra, Gautami, Infinite is one. Raja, Rohit, all the boys, all the girls. Yes? Chalo. Okay, let's read this question. This is the last question of this class. Yes? I hope that you are sitting with the notebook and the pen. Whatever I am teaching you, you are making the notes. That are the important things. Yes? Okay, fine. So, next question is, write the name and the structural formula of the compound formed when ethanol. What is the formula of ethanol? Gautami, thank you very much. What is the formula for ethanol? Ethanol is C2H5OH. When you are heating, thank you Rohit, when you are heating ethanol at 443 with the excess of conc H2SO4, what happens? Listen to me carefully. No matter which hydrocarbon you will burn, burning or air, reaction with air is the same thing. Okay? If you will burn or make a hydrocarbon react with oxygen, it is called combustion reaction. Are you guys getting my point? Any hydrocarbon means carbon hydrogen compound. If you will make them react with O2 or you will heat them, same thing. That heat is, yes, very good Netra, that heat is O2 only. So this is a combustion reaction. Burning of hydrocarbon is combustion reaction. Burning of hydrocarbon is combustion reaction. This is called combustion reaction, or reacting of hydrocarbon with O2. This is also called the combustion reaction. No matter what hydrocarbon you are burning, your end product will be CO2 gas and water and heat and light. Heat and light is a very obvious thing. If you will burn something, definitely you are going to get heat and light. No matter what hydrocarbon you have taken, ethane, methane, propane, anything, benzene, anything, cyclohexane, hexane, every compound will completely combust and will give you carbon dioxide and water as the product. Understood? Clear? So, when ethanol reacts with, when you heat ethanol in the presence of H2SO4 and 443 Kelvin temperature, you will get CO2 plus water plus heat plus light. They have told you just to give a chemical equation. Till the time they will not mention balanced, it means that they are not going to cut marks for balancing. And if you are not sure about the balancing, don't write anything wrong. Okay? They have simply told chemical equation, just write the chemical equation, don't bother about the balancing. If they have mentioned balancing, then you have to balance the equation. Clear? Yes? What is the role of conc H2SO4? Conc H2SO4, as I told you, conc H2SO4 is a dehydrating agent. Same thing. Remember this, dehydrating agent means which helps in removal of water. Which helps in removal of water. Is that clear, guys? Did you understand this? Yes? Okay, fine. Anything, any hydrocarbon you will burn or you will make it react with oxygen, it is called combustion of hydrocarbon. Every hydrocarbon will give you carbon dioxide and water as the combustion product. Clear? Yes? This was the last question. So here, see. Yes, here, see. Yes. Fine. So, yeah, here. Okay. So, this is the thing. One more thing. There is a difference here. The difference here is they have put acid. So, when, see. Okay, one more thing. All this I have told you for hydrocarbon. Yes, this all is for hydrocarbon, but the question here is ethanol. Yes, understood. This is for hydrocarbon, but the question here is ethanol. Ethanol is not hydrocarbon. Ethanol is alcohol. Okay. So what actually happens? Sorry, it should be C6H6, C2H6 hydrocarbon. If you will take ethanol, from ethanol what is going to happen? C2H5OH. We have heating here. Heating will do what? Heating will remove water, dehydrate the compound, right? Even in summers we feel so much sweating. It means that it means that it is getting boiled, right? So 443 and H2SO4, conc H2SO4. It is going to give you ethene out. Okay, how? See here the structure. H, H and H, OH, H and H. This water comes out. Dehydration. And this becomes single bond. Okay, guys, clear? The combustion thing I told for hydrocarbon. But I forgot that question is for alcohol. Okay, fine. So, I will, this was the last question. Have you understood this question? Do give me a thumbs up. The combustion and alcohol thing. Yes. That combustion I have told you for hydrocarbon. Yes. Yes. Very good, Raja. Very nice. So, here we will end our session. Okay. Fine guys, I hope that you have understood every question which I have taught you today, and I hope that your revision is going good. If you have liked this session, don't forget to subscribe the channel, tell your friends, and don't forget to comment down and like this video. Okay, thank you very much. I will meet you guys in the next session.